Determine the equation of the two tangents to the circle x squared plus y squared equals to 25, which makes an angle of 30 degrees with the x-axis. Let us begin. So here we will start with the given equation of the circle. We have x squared plus y squared equals to 25. Now we can rewrite the equation in its standard form as x minus 0 whole squared plus y minus 0 whole squared equals to 5 squared. This tells us that the coordinate of the center of the circle will be 0, 0. That means the circle is centered at the origin and it has a radius of 5 units. So let's sketch the circle on a coordinate plane. So as you can observe, we have the circle which is centered at the origin having the coordinates 0, 0, and we have two lines which are tangent to the circle, let's say at point A and point B, and both of the two tangent lines are making an angle 30 degrees with the x-axis. Our goal will be to determine the equation of the tangent. Let us begin. To find out the equation of the tangent, we're going to use the slope form of a tangent. So let's quickly recap what's the slope form of a tangent. The slope form of tangent is given by y equals to m times x plus or minus r multiplied to square root of 1 plus m squared. So here the letters will have the usual meaning. That means m will be the slope of the line. R is going to be the radius of the circle. Since we have the radius of the circle already found out, so we'll try to find out the slope of the tangent. Now it's given here that the tangent lines are making 30 degrees with the x-axis. So that means the value of the slope m, that's going to be tangent of the angle that the tangent line makes with the x-axis, which is 30 degrees. Meaning our slope comes out to be 1 over square root of 3. We have all the values that we need. So that means the equation of the tangent line is going to be, of the two tangents, equation of the tangents are going to be y equals to 1 over square root of 3 times x plus or minus the radius r, which is 5, multiplied to 1 plus 1 over square root of 3 whole square. Let's simplify this. We get y equals to x over square root of 3 plus or minus 5 multiplied to 1 plus 1/3. So 1 plus 1/3 means we have 4 over 3, which gives us y equals to x over square root of 3 plus or minus 5 times 2. So we get 10 over square root of 3. Multiplying throughout with square root of 3, we get square root of 3 y equals to x plus or minus 10. So this is going to be the equation of the tangent. We are getting plus or minus 10 value. That means we are going to have two y-intercept values. One is going to be positive 10. So actually this is positive 10. And the other one is going to be negative 10, which is going to correspond to the lower tangent line.